Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Let's work a little bit more. And incidentally, I found this tool called Grok, which is pretty crazy because it has an unparalleled speed. When questioned, this is an AI chat like ChatGPT. And it looks pretty good. And honestly, the design looks way better than ChatGPT. The design looks amazing. This is way better design. ChatGPT design is poor as hell. Okay, no, it's not that bad. It's not bad to the point of being absolutely terrible, but it's it looks templatey. It looks like a template. Now we have Grok. This looks genuinely designed by a designer. Oh, what is this? Speed? And look at this: speed, input, output, total, tokens. Okay, this is so good. Inference time 0.95. I'm not sure what this is all about. Okay, so let's ask another question. Provide us what? Provide a fictional account. Provide a fictional list of key events in an alternative history where provide a fictional list of key events, key historical events in an alternative history where what? Where Genghis Khan conquered the entirety of Europe. Genghis Khan is written like that? Yeah, let's go with this. Super, it's so fast. Modify, bullets, wait, what is this? 3 words? What is all this? Here's a fictional list of key historical events in an alternative history where Genghis Khan conquered the entirety of Europe. 1206, Temujin is the son of Genghis Khan. It's proclaimed Genghis Khan, the great Khan of the Mongol Empire, and begins the campaign to unify the nomadic tribes of the Mongolian plateau. Genghis Khan launches the first invasion of northern China, defeating the Jin dynasty, capturing Zhongdu, modern-day Beijing. Genghis Khan turns his attention to the west, conquering the Khwarezmian Empire, which includes modern-day Iran, Afghanistan, Central Asia. Genghis Khan dies during his campaign against the Tanut Empire in northern China. His son successor, Agudai Khan, continues the expansion of the Mongol Empire. The Mongols invade and conquer Russia, Kievan Rus, and Eastern Europe, reaching as far as Poland and Hungary. Mongols defeat the combined forces of the Holy Roman Empire, the Papal States, and the Kingdom of France at the Battle of Vlenica and the Battle of Mohi. The Mongols conquered the Iberian Peninsula, North Africa, and the Byzantine. This is alternative history, becoming the dominant power. So this is all up to, I think up to here, this is all real history. But after this is fake. This never happened. The Mongols were defeated in the French territory, I think. And after that defeat, one of the Khans died, and the war stopped. They got divided, and they were not united anymore. So they didn't go pursue or continue to pursue the dominion of Europe. Mongols conquered the Iberian Peninsula, North Africa. Mongols launched a series of invasions of Western Europe, sacking Paris, London, Rome. Pope Innocent and King Louis are among the many leaders who submit to Mongol rule. The Mongols consolidated their control over Europe, establishing a vast and centralized bureaucracy to govern their known territories. The Mongol Empire becomes the largest and most powerful empire in history, stretching from the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. The Mongol empires begin to fragment into smaller kingdoms and principalities, leading to a period of political instability and conflict. However, the Mongol legacy endures. It's very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go back in one. I will explore this later, but it's the okay. This thing doesn't matter. The point is that it's really fast. And what does it do exactly? Okay. What? What is it doing? Changes to bullet points. Change the same thing to bullet points, then table. What? Okay. Wow. This is expand. This is it's not the same, but it's same. It's basic. It's what I got first. 3 sentences, 3 words. Mongol European contest. 3 sentences. Okay, prof educator, I guess. Yeah, educator. As a mentor of educator is essential to encourage. Oh my god, no, I hate these things. Neutral, I guess neutral is the. What's the default of this thing? Let's take a look at the other one. I can't anymore. Apparently I can't. I only can do it in the last one. Modify neutral, I guess. Yeah, that's didn't do the same thing exactly. That's neutral is probably the best, but this is crazy. Can I set to seat run? Oh, that's very nice. Temperature, top key, top P, top K. I don't know what that is. Can careers accept? Yeah, they don't need any front end work. This doesn't need front end. All these AI things may not need much front end. API. Do you have an API? Oh my god! 10 days free trial. Crazy. This is crazy fast. Okay, anyway, stop hallucinating with that. Let's go to get some work done. Let's go to get some work. Bye bye, GPT. This is free. Is this free also? Welcome, login. Okay, I can log in. Yes. Sys prompt. Okay. I see. Very interesting. We have this thing, which is Llama 2, Mistral 8, 7 billion, 32K. 8 times 7 billion. 70 billion. What does that mean? 8 times 7 billion? I don't know what that means. Alright, yeah, I can check this as much as I want later. Okay? Let's go. Let's continue where we were. I was doing this thing. So basically, you can have the handle return focus. If page refresh each to do, but for now it's gonna be return. Just do nothing. We have this handle return focus, and then I want to how does it work here? Set last focused, get last focused. Okay, yeah, the problem here is that if there is a handle focusing return set focus restore focus function L document dot, no, it's actually L dot focus. This is gonna return a function. Well, it returned an object which has a function which takes L and returns L dot focus and focuses the element. Here I should do on page unload set set how do I do that? I could be very dumb about that. I could be, so we have this trap focus, last focus, this is not the thing, and we have this author merge on model, last focus element, document active element, yes. When the model opens, we need to capture this. Handle restore focus. Let's ignore all this for now. And I can actually have this here. Handle restore model focus. Let's see. Handle restore focus model ID. Model ID is clear. Okay. Handles focusing model ID using model trapping focus and restoring focus to element last, restore focus to element that had focus before model was opened. Yes. We have this model ID shown model function last focus element if author model ID. This is the, let me check the ID. And we have author merge dialog model focusable ID. Yes. Okay. Maybe this is too many. What is this? Remove attribute class. Why is it doing that? On show callback, on show callback, on hide callback. I guess, yeah, it's kind of awkward. I don't like to like create this function, reusable function, just for two cases. I'm not feeling too well about this. So we have this, then we have this off key down. What is it doing? Hidden model, merge status. This is inside the model, if not empty, if merge status alert. Okay, I know, let's not do that. Let's not do this. Let's not do this. The problem that we have here is that we have this thing which, if we save changes, hello, what happened? I need to log in again. Oh, sorry. I'm so confused. What is happening? Huh? Oh my god, this is not good. That is not good. Dataset. It's because, yeah, okay, that's not good. It's trying to make a post request, but then what happens is that I'm logged out. So it redirects me to login. Post request is basically like a request where you try to access specific route. But this project is set in such a way that if you are not logged in and try to access a private route, you redirect to login, and after you log in, you redirect back to what you're trying to access. But when you redirect back, we try to access the route where we try to do the post request, but this time it's no longer a post request. After you redirect, it's a get request. So we get an error, and that's not very nice. Anyway, that's a problem for someone else for another day. Let's go. What happened here? Let's click here, save, and then let's go click here. We get this again. It's gonna complain. So I'm adding some lorem ipsum. The problem is that we are redirected. So let's see what happens here. There are two items. Because there are two items tagged in the majority, we see only one. I want to show an example of this one, right? Yeah, let's just send this thing. This could be as easy as move it inside the container after the title, right there. Move it inside the container right there. Yeah. Let's save it like this. Let's leave it. This is just an idea. Let's leave it. I don't care now about this. So let's just leave it. Let's go back. Let's set it back to what I can see the same things again. Save. We are back here. Then we go to last. Then we click on this icon. and then we're back here. So the problem is when I click on this, let's add grok. Let's see what happens if I ask this guy. In my project, when I click a button, a post request is sent, which triggers a page refresh. I want to, and when I click a button from inside a specific model, a post request which triggers a page refresh. Should I actually restore focus if there is a page refresh? If I'm sending a post request and the page refreshes, in all cases anyway, the focus is going to return to the top of the page. So yeah. Well, because usually we would go to another page. But in this case, we end up in the same page. So here's a page refresh. So here's a page navigation to the same page. From the user perspective, it's like simply like the model closed. So in this case, I want to return focus to give focus to the element that triggered the model. How can I do that? Let's see if you manage to answer this correctly. Grok. You can use JavaScript to give focus to the element that triggered the model. Once the page is navigated back to the same page, you can achieve it runs when the page finishes loading. Yes, the script can get the element that triggered the model and set the focus. Here's an example of how you can do this. First, add an ID attribute to the element that triggered the model. Sure. Next, add a script that runs when the page finishes loading. So you can do this by adding a window on load server, event listener. Yeah, script will run when the page finishes loading. It will set the focus to the button that triggered the model. Alternatively, you can also use document active element product to get the element that currently has focus, and that's set it focus to the element that triggered the model. Is an example. We don't load background focus document active element, the element that triggered the model button, document element by button, set focus to the focus. Remove the what? Okay. Script will first get the element that currently hasn't set the focus. This is not okay. Yeah, this is not great. Let's ask ChatGPT, see what happens. ChatGPT, do your magic. ChatGPT version 4 is so far the best coding pair programmer I've seen. It's also decently fast. So mark this last focus element, open model button, document get. Yeah, wait, what? Open model button, everyone needs to click last focus element this. Okay. Yeah, sure. I won't do this because set focus back to the trigger element after action. After a post request is sent and you're navigate back to the same page or the model is automatically closed, set the focus back to the store element. This step depends on how your page navigation or model closing process is handled. It's a full image or needs to store them and let's focus on storage, session storage. Session storage is actually good because JavaScript state will be lost on page load. If no page reload happens, you can simply focus the element. Sure, if page reload is a full page reload, you need to store the identifier on the trigger element and focus it once the page loads. Before reloading, yep. So yeah, this will definitely work. So let's go to the button that save the. So yeah, this one, save link, which is not used anywhere else. And we have this script. which this is the thing that runs, correct? Function save instructions, and we are requesting the submit here, and then handle restore focus, save link. Okay, what is it? Handle, do the thing. Handle restore focus. Do the thing. Copilot. It doesn't want to do it. Const. Actually, well, there is only one button that triggers this model. Let's comment this out. This is the button that triggers the data target ID. Hold on. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's the. So let's give it an ID also. ID. And let's give it the ID edit instructions button. Edit instructions button. Open edit. Open edit in show. With show edit instructions button. Or let's call it button show edit button show edit instruct. I prefer this naming because the first thing it's telling me is that it's a button. If I start with show, it sounds like a function. This sounds like an ID more than a function. So when this happens, I want to we have trap focus and also so this is the ID. Then ChatGPT told me to put this thing in here. Yes. If storage set item, hold on. Store the ID of the last focus element before reloading. No. Whoops. Last focused element ID admin data set. Admin data set. Yep. And this is the ID. I think there is something wrong with the. Yeah, like this. I think. Yeah, let's do it like this. Okay, so now we are creating this element when we open the model. Yeah, right there. Where is the? Where? Yeah. I go to the local storage, application, local storage. Should be session storage. Should be session storage, not local storage. Local storage, it's really session storage. Yep, better. And then I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna check the application session storage. I'm gonna refresh to reflect on the changes, and then I'm gonna open the model, and I should see, but I do not see. When I open the model, I should actually see this thing. like this. Okay, so I don't. What is wrong with this? Admin. Yeah, this is the right place. But if I just need to move this thing here, maybe? I'm not sure. Okay, open this thing. What? I'm so confused. Is this some other model? On shown? This function? You run this function on shown. I don't need this. Is this code not running or what is happening? Do I need the documents? Do I need to do document ready? Do I need to do this function? Maybe I need to do that. Okay. Let's click it. I'm so confused. Okay, is this the actual model? Customize instructions title, customize instructions, edit instructions. Okay. Edit instructions. Hey, show, hey, ha 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 ha. Document query selector instruction. Sure. It was forgetting all this stuff over here. Hold on, I'm a bit confused now on what is what. This is this, this is this. Okay, so this is the code inside. That's why it didn't work. Let's comment this out, I think, or not. Trap focus. Does this set focus to a specific element? Focus element, focusable elements, element find. First focusable, last focusable. Element on key down. This does not focus a specific element. Well, okay, now this is definitely gonna work. That was bad. If I, there you go. Now it works. Okay, good. I need to see if, yeah, this works. Okay, and I need to check the application, session storage. There you go. So last focus element, blah blah blah. Button show edit instructions. Okay, it works. Let's delete this thing. Sessions, and then session storage. Session storage. If I open the, when I refresh the page, let's go here. Then page reloads. Before reloading, sure, or when I open the model is also fine. And after reloading, dump content loaded. Cons last focus. Let's copy this thing. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's go to the script function document add event listener. This is a kind of messy, man. Document add event listener. There, here. Control no focus key equal last focus element correct. Let's create some spacing here. Last focus element Then we do we remove this item. Hold on. we take this item, replace the key. It's gonna be session storage. Let's make it const storage equals session storage. Yep. So session storage. Storage set item focus key button show edit. That's the button ID. Yep. And go here. Hold on. Let me do. This is not correct. What is this? This is the if. So I have to do. This is on document load. Document. No. This is dollar document ready function. And then here I should actually try to use jQuery. So we have element to focus, storage, remove item. Yes, that looks okay. That looks okay. But this is not properly indented. Like that is better. I think this will work. Document ready. When it's ready, then we remove this thing. When we open the model, we set this item, but when we close the model, if we close the model with the cancel button, wait, if we close the model with the close button or the close, yeah, with the close button, then we're dismissing the model. And in this case, we are not dismissing the model. So I want to know, we are using this data dismiss. So in Bootstrap, there should be something. They have Bootstrap open somewhere. Yeah, here. There should be. Hopefully there's a listener for when the model is dismissed. Specifically when it's dismissed. We have to model, parent content usage options, maybe methods. My model. Okay, not this. Listeners, events. Shown, hide, hidden, loaded. Shown. When the show instance is called, it's called by click. The click elements are available in the related targets. Okay, it's good. Hide BS model. This event is fired immediately when the hide instance method has been called. This event is fired when the model has finished being hidden from the user. Let's look for dismiss. Let's see if there is something special about dismiss. Dismiss, use the focus trigger to dismiss poppers on the next click that the user makes. What do you mean? Okay. Okay, I see. And this is using how? Focus. Not sure, but this is not what I'm using. Trying to check if if there is something that I can use the dismiss for, but this is not. So dismiss. Well, okay, so what I know for certain is that there is this hidden event This I know for sure. Okay. This is inside this document content. This is pretty much the same as this. We could put this all this code in here also. I'm gonna put this thing here. This is the model. Yes, this is the model. Hidden function. Then when the model is hidden, actually, you know what? When the model is hidden, I can just focus the button. Because why not? Let's get rid of this. Let's this off key down. I don't. This off. I'm not sure what is happening here. Let's do this for now. Let's just do this. Let's go back to this guy over here. Let's refresh. Let's open this. You're gonna have this thing here. Let's close the model. Okay, so this triggers. Perfect. So what I can simply do is every time that the model is closed, I can just pick this ID and I need to wait a second. This is a bit tricky because what I actually want to do what I actually want to do here is nothing. No, it's not nothing. I have to think about the case where the user closes if the user closes the model with a close button, and I don't remove this item from the log from the storage, and then if they refresh the page, the focus is gonna return randomly to the button, which is not good. So let's write it down what I need to do here, and then I will think how to do it. Here, focus doesn't need to be controlled because it returns by default to the button. But if the model was dismissed, user click close, then we need to remove the we need to clean the storage. We need to clean the storage. So let's take a look at the events. So hide hidden model. The event is fired when the model is finished being hidden from the user. Maybe I should log this event. Console log console log or dir. Either way, it doesn't matter. Let's refresh. Let's actually open this thing. Let's clean it up. Let's open the model. Let's close it, and then we get. Okay, let's see what we get. Let's see. We have delegate target, trigger, jQuery namespace, results, target, timestamp. Do I get some information about the button that was clicked? Current target. Edit instructions, model fade. Nope. Delegate target. What about this thing? What is this? I don't know what this is. This is well, it's the same element basically. Handle object hidden. How can I know? Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT. Maybe ChatGPT knows. I have a bootstrap 3 model. The model has 2 buttons. A cancel button that with data dismiss property that dismisses the model, and another button that triggers a post request. I want to run a specific code when the model closes because the user clicked the dismiss button, dismiss button, but not when they and a save button when they clicked the save button. How can I do that? Please, let's see if it knows. So in the meantime, basically I want to, okay, what information do I get from this? Namespace target, not useful. This none of these buttons. This is none of this seems useful, which is all undefined apparently. This is not useful. Let's see what ChatGPT tell us. Define a flag. It's a variable to track whether the save button was clicked. This flag will help differentiate set event listeners. Use the hidden BS model event. Check the flag within this event handler to the okay. Let's see what it means. Here we have data dismiss and type button, ID save button, blah blah. Okay. Document ready. Let's save click. Save clicked, false. Okay, save button, click event, save button, save click true. Okay. If not save click, damn it. Reset the flag. Okay. I guess maybe. Let's go to this is on show, this is on hide, and then we do this. Let's save clicked and then well, we need to find save instructions, save link. Hold on. This is not good. This should be here. Here. Save click true. And then if let's see, if not save clicked, if not save clicked, but hold on, this is not gonna work because we're gonna run this code. Wait, this is not gonna work. Here it's telling me stop. Wait, whoa. Hey, what happened here? This is telling me set this, initialize this variable, then save button, click, then listen for clicks on here, and then close the model programmatically if needed. Will this work? Will this work? It depends on what runs first. Let's try and see what happens. So we have this code, and we have this on click handler here, which is gonna, when you click this thing, question is what runs first. I think this runs first. And if this runs first, wait. That doesn't make save link and what? I'm a bit confused now. Save link, instructions form. Why do I have this thing here? What am I doing with this? I'm getting so confused right now. Document, add event listener, dump content loaded. Edit instructions on show. We do this. Okay, yes, we don't need this thing here. We here save, we click the save button, so it is true. And we don't need to do anything here. If not save clicked, we clean the local store. But this is, I think this is never gonna run. I think this is never gonna run. Because if we run this code first, then we are gonna trigger the request. And I think I need to programmatically, as JavaScript, as this thing says, where is it? Where is it here? I think I need to programmatically hide the model. Because, so I run this code, I close the model programmatically. Actually, I need to do this. Const model ID, const model ID, give it to me, model ID. And we're actually gonna do this because I'm using jQuery. Let's see, JavaScript methods, model toggle show height, model height. Model height, correct. Programmatically hide the model. And then if we programmatically hide the model, if we did not save the click here, if we did not click save click, and then we do save click equal false. Yes. Okay, so damn it. We have this thing. Why do we have this thing here? We don't need this thing anymore. And we have the model ID here. Edit instructions and replace by this. Yep. Is this also duplicated? No, it's not. But hold on. Storage, remove item, storage, get item, focus key, last focus element ID, element focus. Yeah, this is not good. I need to do this. This is only one place. And what about this? Instructions is the input. Okay, so let's review this quickly. Const model ID, let's save clicked. Save changes, save clicked. This is the save button. Yes, save instructions clicked. Let's call it save instructions. Save instructions clicked. Is save instructions clicked. Model ID is save instructions clicked set to false. So when you click save instructions, I set it to true. I create these two variables. Let's clean it up a little bit because this thing is complaining that it wants spaces. I hide the model programmatically, and then this code runs. And this code, if this is not true, then it's gonna remove the item. This is not true means that the close button was clicked. Not that, well, it means that the save button was not clicked, so we don't need to handle the return the focus apparently. And if we had to, we could just do it programmatically. And okay, hold on. And then we can basically replace this by this. I don't know why we don't. Just do this. We grab the focus thingy from here. We remove this comment. We don't need this thing. What is happening? Spaces must be used. Okay. Like better? Okay, happy. Good for you. So we put this last focus element ID there. We get that thing. If last focus, we do this. Maybe I should like function, a set function handle return focus, handle restore focus. I like more. Then we do, hold on, don't get crazy. We do this. Okay, so we put this thing in here. Then we have this model ID shown storage set item. Hold on. When the model opens, we do this. Sure, that's okay. That's fine. Yes. Hold on. One moment. When I click save instructions, this is when I actually want to do it, I think. Here, let's comment it out here for a second. Let's put this thing here. Let's put these functions to the bottom, because otherwise it's a mess. Like here after this. Okay, yes, right here. Let's put these constants together. Why did you do this code? No. Okay, like this. Why these constants? Let's rename this focus key to just. Oh, there's so many. Focus key. Okay, so again, when we click, why do we have two? Hold on, this is not needed anymore. When I click on this button, we store the thing, we set it to true, then we close the model, and the model closes. Then this is gonna be false, so we do not remove the item, and we set this to false. And so we continue, we do the post request, the whole page is gonna refresh, then we're gonna run this function, which is gonna do get the item from the storage, and then if it exists, then element to focus, sure. If it exists, focus on it. And then we remove the item. This is good. This is good. And then what happens if we click on the close button? If we click on the close button, we are not gonna set this value to begin with. We're gonna open the, first of all, okay, hold on. We open the model, we set trap focus, we focus on whatever. This doesn't matter. Then when we close the model, we're gonna simply run this code. This is gonna be false, so this is gonna be true. We remove the key from local storage. We don't need to do that anymore. I think we don't need to do this anymore. Okay, let's remove this from here. Let's stage this changes, and this, what did I do here? Nothing. Let's remove this. Let's stage those changes, and then let's remove this, this, because we don't, hold on, we don't need this anymore. We don't use this thing anymore. We don't need that anymore. It's not needed, because we are setting the item only when we save the instructions. We set the item here, then the page is gonna refresh, yes or yes. And when the page refreshes, if this element in the local storage is set up, in the session storage, doesn't matter, if it's set up, then we give it focus, and then we delete it. So it's gonna be deleted always. So we don't need to handle that. Okay, so that's the simplest case. Let's check it out. I think this will work. Let's refresh this page. Let's clean this thing up. Let's do this. And then let's close this thing. It receives focus again. Perfect. Let's open this. Let's do lorem, and then save changes, and it gets focus. Okay, this works. And now, okay, now we're gonna do something else. We're gonna refresh the page first of all. Hold on. Why does it keep focus? Hold on. Got this application. It did not clean it. Hold on. Handle restore focus. Oh, well, if element to, hold on, what happened here? These functions gotta run every time, always runs. Here we set this thing only when we click that button. And why are we using this? Let's use jQuery here. It doesn't make sense to use different things every time. Also here, why is this thing here? Oh no, that's fine. That's fine. Yes, that's fine. Okay, so all right, this, we get the item here. If this exists, which it does, then we do that. This element focus, we focus the element, and then, oh, I know, that's why, because we didn't replace their storage. That's why it doesn't work. So now it's gonna receive focus, but if I refresh again, it doesn't have focus again. Okay, good. Let's click again. Let's do something here. Let's close. It gets focus. Let's then save changes. It gets focus again, perfect. I feel like maybe I should save changes. Okay, we'll refresh. Shouldn't get focus. We refresh second time and then we get focus. Hold on, this is this is nonsense. Save changes, we get focus, refresh, shouldn't get focus again. So this is the session storage that I'm seeing here. Let's do it again. Save changes. This is not. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. This is absolute nonsense. Now if I refresh this, then it's gone. I'm a bit confused now. I am a bit confused. Let's log here. Ready. Okay. Let's log this thing. What? Type error. Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. I see what is happening. Instructions form. Okay. Document get element by ID. All right, fine. See if I find where is the. Let's cross check what we had there. Form document get element by ID. Indeed, yes. Get document get element. Okay. If I use Java types, if I use jQuery here, it doesn't work. Okay, so now it's gonna work. Now it's just gonna work. So let's refresh this thing. Click on here, this save changes, and I refresh again. Perfect. Perfect. Now this works. I think I also have this alert. Okay, let's keep it like this. I will figure out if this is okay when I use the screen reader. But I think this code is relatively clean. It's fine. I think it's a good idea. This should be button show edit for element id to focus to doc to focus id id to focus, and then here I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna do that because I always want to remove this. I always want to reset it no matter what. Is this too long, this code? No, because I actually need the value. So I think save in browser storage the ID of the element to return focus to after saving, after closing model, because model triggers post request that refresh the page. Okay, what is happening here? Why? Okay, whatever. So maybe you're trying to tell me that I should use multiple lines? Huh. Bold of you. Bold of you. Bold of you. Bold of you. Do I like this thing? I like this thing. I like it. Let's see what changes happen here. This is a pretty custom code. I don't need to make it reusable. This is okay. I should try to avoid use links for these cases. This is send instructions by email. Indentation here is terrible. Send instructions by email is a link with an href. This is gonna trigger what happens exactly when I click here. I mean, the sets and instructions, and we have an ID. Let me see what happens exactly. This is the model, and then over here, let's see what other code do I have here. How does it know that it needs to send a post request? Trap focus. Restore, save instructions, document ready, handle, restore focus, and then trap focus, and then we do this. Okay. Yeah. There is no more script here. So this is gonna be handled by the backend. So totally fine if this links to another page which triggers a post request in the backend and then redirects to the same page, which is a bit awkward, but it's what it is. Okay, so let's commit this thing. Wait. Oh, scared for a second. Fit. What exactly did I do here? Let's go to the ticket. What does the ticket say? Where is the ticket? In the above case, there are two items stacked. This is not. Yes, but it's if admin set status to assign by the set email. This is not. These alerts are changing to FTP status. So I also fix this is. Let's get rid of this thing. Let's close. Opted not to change styles. Implementation, okay. Update style. Update styles of custom instructions model. Okay. Fixed layout issues and handled model behavior, e.g. return focus when restore focus when model closes. Okay. I should actually list exactly update custom instructions model. Okay. Fix spacing and layout issues. Issues. Update model button styles. Update model button styles. Handle model behavior when user clicks on save changes, focus is restored, and model closes, focus is restored to a model trigger button. Okay. Correctly handle model focus trap by using model focus trap by leveraging focus trap script. Focus trap when pressing the tab key, focus cycles inside within the model. There seems Bootstrap should be able to do it, but I observe a strange behavior. Page scrolling and visible element getting focused. And there's the fix. And there's the fix, which leverages an existing script. Yeah. Focus, trap focus, stop, protected copy relative path, yes. And let's put it here. Path. Okay, this works. Should save this thing. Okay, so fit, update, improve model styles and behavior. Exactly. Okay, so now I think it's a really great time to take a break. Yep, it's a great time to take a break and actually to eat something. So, see you later. Oh wow. I've been recording this whole time. It has been like 40 minutes. So this part is done. And if I now close the scene, returns focus. Okay, let's do this thing for a second. I see no errors. Like if I open this, this is required, which is like, why not? There's this close button. Close, we return focus here. Reload. Reload. Go back to the ticket. If I find it. This is not the ticket. This is the. Okay, now if we go to the actual to the user side, which if I let's see if I think it's let's see if I find the window. It's here. Probably gonna be locked out. Yes. Let's go to the user giga. Oops. Well, it's a mock password. Doesn't matter. Yes. Okay, we're here, and the thing that happens is if admin set status to this, but I don't set email, user clicks upload files and gets error, which is weird. So let's try to fix it. Let's go to the admin. Sorry, but I need to put this in another screen. Gosh. I'm going to well, actually, if I now click here, I think it's gonna it does not break. Okay, let's I think I'm gonna reset orphans, remove orphans, and then I'm gonna run the app script. I think the music is a tiny little bit too loud, right? Like this. Let's rerun the script. Okay, running. Okay. What is going on here? Is this always active for some dumb reason? Did I keep it always active? New drop. It's not. No, it's not. So let's just ignore it. Let's refresh this. If I click here, it will break. Yes. Is no image. Dataset submission controller. Yes, we are here. And it's just not this file. Dataset. Okay, no. Exclude the text files also. This is the one. Save image, and then there is another one. One there, and another there. There. What it's telling me is that this is not defined. And indeed, this is, well, this is the, I'm not sure in PHP whether this would be counted, this would count as defined or not. We have images, new images, image. Yeah, I don't know. This is a backend issue. Is there something like email here? Send HTML image with attachment. Yeah, let's skip this one. I have no idea. This is a backend problem. So let's go here. Yep. I'm not sure if I reported this issue already or not. So let's go take a look. Okay, not this one. Not sure. Not this one. I think I should just open them all. This is done. Not here. Not here. Not here either. Not here either. Where is it? Okay, I should actually read this ticket later. I'll put it to the tasks. And yeah, should grab the link to the ticket and put it in my notes. So let's remove this thing. So I really don't know. Okay, let's go here. this error is entirely backend related to replicate follow the full workflow until clicking the Dropbox icon in admin panel. Do not send email to user. Log in as user and go to user profile to upload files. Click on upload files link. Let's leave some space here. I see a see a 401 error. Wait, no, this is not the error. It was not the error. Let's go back, click here. Am I dreaming? This is not the error I saw just now. I saw that is not image. Am I dreaming or what is happening? User. Okay, hold on. What about delete? No, that's not delete. CF401 error. Okay. Yeah, that's actually. Oh, I clicked the wrong button. That's request was made with invalid credentials. Okay, now let's go to the admin. Sorry, let's go to the admin. Click on send instructions. Let's refresh this and then click here. It works. The upload files. It's a link, right? This is a link. Yeah, it's a link. The files link works again. Should move this thing up here, then clean it up. So this. Okay. Yes, so let's move on here because this is like, oh no, let's check this one. Let's check this one from the hold on, from this I think it's just this page. Copy link address and put it here. oh yeah, it's this page, and then it's a view profile page. It's a view profile page, and then I have I have to see update. No, 2 files successfully deleted, blah blah blah. Okay, we have a file annotate action. User post, delete list, delete list, delete. Uh-huh. 2 attributed added. Samples. Attributes added for upload. Added for upload. 2 files delete. File upload incomplete. Then we have file uploading complete. Yes. And then what does it do with the user message? User set flash, file upload. And that's it. So it sets this flash. And this flash means there is some kind of well, I don't know exactly how this all wires up. I only see that the indentation is terrible. And so it can be, we have a font here. This is font. This is deprecated, but let's, I mean, what is this even? MDF font. No, it's font element. There, here. This is deprecated. This is like super deprecated. Element defines the font size, color, and face for this content. I see. Do not use this element. Uses the CSS forms property. And we have font color grid. Oh my god! How old is this code? From which century is this code? Div. What is this supposed to be anyway? Let's get up this thing. Let's put it here. Actually, yes, here. God, why is this so terrible? Indentation is so terrible. We have this font, then we have this keywords, I guess. Refresh this, and then we. What is this even? What is the point of this? And where does this come from? User set flash. I guess set flash. So many flashes. Keyword error. Author is not stored. This could be a keyword, and it's just that I don't need the. This is an example of a this is one example. So let's okay, let's do this div. There's nested divs which are not necessary, and we save this, and then it's gonna be just black. But we want this thing to be class no variables. Yeah, there's a bunch of fun thingies. Is there like a class for these colors? Color GLB green. Protected. I should see this. Oh no, because this is less, and I want to exclude less. That's it's not like this. It's is it like this? less. Yeah, no, this is not good. I need to. I had a list of things to exclude already written in my cheat sheet. Exclude this. Okay. And include this. We have color, background color, icons, color, variables. So awkward that I just don't have. Kind of need to create. Oh, this is so awkward. It's like some type. Text danger, text gigadb, color gigadb green on white, I guess. I guess this works. Class text gigadb, and we're gonna have. Wait, hold. Oh, I need to, because I need to run the less script. Chokidar, save this. Yes, okay, then we refresh this thing and it's on. Yeah, that's good. I like this thing. And this is this indentation is a joke. It's a joke. So let's do this. Let's remove this thing because this is really useless. Let's do that. I guess I'm gonna do also file upload. Alright, file upload. Alert success, roll alert, I don't care. And then we have whatever text. Lorem ipsum some 3 files. Lorem again, thank you. I cannot type for the life of me. I cannot type. So this looks like this. And yeah, okay, this is a different concern, I would say. This is a general styling of this is a decision about styling this thing differently. Let me check something else. What if I do this? What if I do this? Not good. I don't like this. The above is a more general decision about styling alerts and similar elements, similar widgets or whatever elements, and thus out of the scope of the, and thus beyond scope of this. There's larger than the scope of this issue. Would need updating all such elements for consistency purposes. I can ask this tomorrow in the meeting. Got a vaccination today and my arm kind of hurts a little bit. Vaccines. Yeah. So this is the same issue 3 times basically. And now I'm gonna undo this thing. Yeah, I said I'm gonna undo this thing. So I modified this. Then I have, wow man, this indentation is so annoying. I changed this, I removed this font thingy, and I set this thing. Yeah, perfect. Fix, remove deprecated HTML element, replace or remove. Actually I removed it. Yes. Okay, let's submit this thing. Oh gosh, my vaccines hurt a little bit. It's like my the pain. It's not pain. It's like slight discomfort. It's crawling up my, like the side of my back toward the direction of my neck. It's a bit uncomfortable. Yeah, okay, so then we have the pull requests. I'm gonna stop today because, oh no, I can't read this other ticket. Let's finish, let's write the test, let's run the tests first, just in case. Should the test, they may break something, just in case. Let's run them just in case, because I never know. So here they are, one. This is expected to fail, so that's okay. This is okay. I fully expect this to be okay also. But let's go to edit this. Is a puller for following functionalities. Let's put this in. I have too many things open here, right? I don't need this one in the back. Then what is even going on here? Out with this. This is the only window I need. Then I have. Okay, that's fine. Fix existing, obviously existing thing, fix Ali issues and styling issues in related to full workflow in pages this. Actually, let's undo this. I guess let's put this side to side. It's less annoying. This one. I didn't really change anything here. I'm gonna have to select this one. Yep. Follow full workflow from admin, from start. After clicking up to the point where admin clicks on Dropbox icon. Review styles for action buttons at the top of the page. Okay, let's add an image of that. Why not? I think this one. Review interact with the customize instructions button with the customize instructions button and button to open the model. Use the keyboard, I would say. Use keyboard to interact, to open the model. Then use tab key within model to verify that focus is trapped inside and there is no buggy, I would say. There is no buggy. There is no and causes no scrolling. Okay. Click on close button and verify that focus is oh my god, is returned to button that opened model. Open model again and again enter any value and save. Verify that focus is returned to button that opened model again. Should add a screen of the model probably. Date. Okay, so yes. Copy link. I added some considerations about this here. Okay, so I kind of need, let's see if the test's finished. I have some failures, which how many? One failure. Okay, go to the jobs page. What? Stale reference? What? That's so weird. Okay, so this test failed. Failed. How to have functionality, node, update, issues, implementations. Failing acceptance test. Let's copy it right here. Yeah, let's copy this thing here to have a reference. And then now let's go the tests. I think the tests will have messed up. Okay, no. Just click this thing here. We need to click save, restore. Wait a second. Verify that focus model. Okay. Okay, so lorem save changes. Okay. Something weird happened here, but it's probably because I'm messing up with the things. Here, let's set switch to this. Let's switch to this. Yes, correct. Let's click here and let's go back. I click here, I do lorem, and then I click the save change. This is so confusing. This is so confusing. I'm gonna do orphan. Well, okay, no, I don't need to, man. I don't need to click here. It doesn't work either, okay. Click on send email. Send instructions by email button. Styles, set status to assign, they can send email. Yeah, okay, so this is not, I did not change this thing. It doesn't need to do that. Update styles of Dropbox success pan, I don't need to repeat. As reported in the issue, reported in the related issue, which were reported in the release. As considered, this is a more general change that could involve you getting alerts. Update custom instructions model, fix spacing layout issues, update model button styles. I don't think I need to repeat these images. Okay, yeah, let's keep this thing here. And then I'm getting a bit tired already. I hate this interface to write pull request. Basically, it's a big problem that I cannot see these images. But wait, I can see the preview, right? Okay, I can see this, which is, I mean, it's not great. It's really not great. I'd like to see a text editor actually. What you see is what you get, text editor. Issues with implementation. Well, there is this thing failing. First of all, there is this test is failing. To remove this thing from here, I need to reset this. Okay, give me the thing. I am in index page. Spike. I'm in index page. I press the button about. Press the button jobs. I should see jobs at geoscience, and I am on HTTP. Yeah, this is okay. This should be okay. Save, and then we do this run. Spike. I think spike means this test sometimes fails or runs out of time for mysterious reasons. It can happen randomly. I am pretty sure. Let's check exactly what spike means in tests. I'm pretty sure it means something like that. Test spike. What is that? What is spike testing? Type of reference to receive a sudden extreme increase of. Okay. I see. Spurious, but I think one filing a acceptance test, but I think it's what happened exactly? There was one failure. I see jobs at maybe it didn't load in time. Facebook element is not attached. Session info, driver info. Spurious, not being at what it purposed to be. False. Yeah, okay, spurious or false failure because it's unrelated to the ticket, to these changes. It's unrelated to these changes, and also the test passes on second run. That's something like this. Issues with implementation. One of the issues reported in the ticket seem backend related. Got more information. in the ticket itself. And let's take a look. Actually didn't do anything here. There was nothing to do. I checked what was the problem. And the only problem was this and this, which is not something I can fix. So actually, let's edit this thing. And let's save. And let's go fix in a full workflow. Yeah. Let's remove this end user profile page. Save. I'm gonna stop for today. I did work so far 7 hours 40 minutes, but that's enough for today. It's okay. So I'm gonna say bye-bye until probably tomorrow. See ya. See ya.